What is up, everybody? It's Nick, and today I'm going to be talking about the new MacBook Pro 14-inch. Just came in the mail today. I need a new MacBook Pro, and I have to tell you the story because I'm not so happy with Apple. By the way, this is a pretty basic unboxing. I'm not going to do anything fancy right here, so not going to be using it and showing you how it works and everything. Just kind of show you what it looks like out of the box here. If anybody wants to see the specs, there they are right there. And so I had about a 3 or 4 year old MacBook Pro 13-inch, and it's kind of bummed. My son came and bumped me. I had a glass of water, and when I say a couple drops, literally it was a couple drops of water. It couldn't have been more than that. Fell right onto the trackpad area, like right in the crease of the trackpad. It worked. I wiped it off. I just thought it was a couple drops of water, and turned it on a couple hours later. It was dead, and come to find out, it was water damage. So my first impression of the 14-inch MacBook Pro is it's definitely a lot heavier. Not a lot, I don't know the specs, but definitely heavier than my 13-inch, which I guess is to be expected a little bit. Let's quickly look in here. If I can get this one. All right, you got all your designed by Apple in California, all your pamphlets, your stickers, stuff I don't have to show you guys. Everyone's kind of used to MacBook Pro. And you have your charging brick, the big guy. You could have spent money. I remember it was like an extra charge to get a smaller brick, but I kind of have a couple smaller bricks around the house that I use, so I didn't want to spend the extra money. So it's unfortunate that you spend $2 grand on a MacBook and they still have to give you the old guy. And then you have your new MagSafe charger, which is, they brought it back. No one knows why they got rid of it, but it's obviously a magnetic, attaches to a USB-C, which is nice to see. I wish Apple would completely move to that with their iPhones and get rid of the Lightning, but I'm hoping for the next adaptation of the iPhone. And here it is. I got the space gray color. Let's just quickly do this. Like I said, it's definitely a little heavier than I do not have the 13-inch because I sent it in to get fixed, thinking they could fix it. And once they told me it was water damage, it was like no point in it to get it fixed. So this thing, it's definitely squared off a little bit. It's definitely more squared off than before. There are all your ports now that they have. Nice. Headphone jack, you have your 2 USB-Cs, you have a magnetic safe charger, and you can also charge from USB-Cs. You don't have to use that. And you have 2 more over here, and then you have your SD slot, actually just 1 USB-C and an HDMI. They pretty much have all those slots you need. And on the bottom, 4 legs. Those look a little bigger than I remember in the last one. This is etched in there, MacBook Pro. Definitely feels like high quality. First thing I noticed is right here is like a big air vent. 2 big air vents on either side. Alright, so let's pop you up real quick. Take off the paper. And there you have it. Keyboard looks nice, full size. I have my iMac sitting right here. Let's see. See the keyboard, same size keys, so you got a full-size keyboard on a 14-inch. There's the legendary notch. Let's see if you can see that. The new notch. The bezels definitely look smaller. Don't crucify me. I always get confused bevels and bezels. So I don't know which to call it. Bezels. I don't know. But there you go. You have the trackpad. It feels nice. Keys feel so much better than before. I'm excited about this thing, so I'm gonna get this thing set up. I need to use it for work tonight. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video. Appreciate you watching, appreciate you being patient. Oh, it's talking French to me too. How lovely is that? Anyway, for me, Apple, Steve Jobs, I appreciate everyone watching. Just a quick unboxing video of the MacBook Pro 2021 model 14-inch. Thank you again.